An enchanting fairy campfire is more than just a craft. It's a portal to a world of magic and creativity. Today, we're bringing a piece of that magic into our homes. Watch as we mold our modeling clay into charming, colorful rocks for our campfire. This easy project is a part of something bigger, teaching our kids how small steps lead to grand adventures. As we shape our fairy campfire, remember, every magical journey starts with a simple step. Our Creative Parenting Guide offers practical advice on kickstarting creative family projects. It's your roadmap to a world where everyday moments become unforgettable. Download it now in the description below. Watch our fairy campfire come to life and let your imagination soar. Ask your kids to imagine what stories the fairies might share around this fire, what meals they'd cook. It's a wonderful way to blend crafting with storytelling and spark their creativity. And did you hear about the magical YouTube channel where every like and subscribe helps it grow as fast as fairy magic? Be a part of our enchanting journey. Hit subscribe, give us a like, and help our channel flourish in the realm of family fun. Our fairy campfire is a small piece of a grand enchanted fairy garden diorama. We're building this magical world one project at a time, teaching patience and celebrating every accomplishment along the way. We've had so much fun creating this fairy campfire, and we hope you did too. If you loved this journey, check out our fairy garden playlist or dive into our collection of arts and crafts projects. See you in our next magical adventure.